Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Freedom, follow your heart and nurture your soul with love and freedom to grow. Aquarius, sundin ninyo yung inyong puso, kung ano ang bulong ng inyong puso, no? Anything that will make your heart sing, anything that will nurture your soul, doon kayo sa ngayon, no? Gawin ninyo yon. You have the freedom to do so. You have the freedom to do so. Alalahanin ninyo yan, no? So, what else? We have release. Release anything that keeps you from your path of authenticity, anything that doesn't serve your highest good, let go. Panahon na ngayon, no? Parang fall season ito sa inyo. Kung isa iba, winter na ngayon, sa buhay ninyo, it's fall season, no? Kasi panahon na ngayon ng pag-release, panahon na ngayon ng pag-let go ng kahit anuman ang hindi nagsiserve ng inyong highest good, okay? Strength, you are being guided by the cosmos. Stay strong. A positive outcome is assured. Ayan. So, divinely guided kayo. So, pakinggan ninyo yan. Sundin ninyo ang gabay ng divine universe sa inyo. At, stay strong. Okay? Stay strong. Sundin ninyo yung mga intuitive messages, signs, symbols, synchronicities na maaaring pinapadala sa inyo ng universe to guide you on how you're going to to navigate your current situation at magpakatatag kayo, no? Pagkatatag kayo, stay strong, rest assured na there is a positive result or positive outcome, no, sa inyong mga gagawin or sa inyong mga ginagawa. Okay? We have meditation. Maaaring ito din ang kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. Maybe you are tired, you are exhausted, or maaaring you are asking for guidance talaga, you are praying for guidance, or maybe asking for confirmation or clarity, no, about something. Kaya mag-meditate kayo, no? Meditation is a very effective way of grounding yourself, at saka it also bring answers, no? Meditation bring answers. Kaya maaaring ito yung kailangan ninyong gawin sa ngayon para marinig ninyo kung ano ang sagot sa inyong mga dasal. What else? We have luck. Napakaganda. Mababalot kayo ngayon ng swerte. Anything you do now will be very prosperous for you. Kaya napaka-magandang pagkakataon ito na magsimula ng bagong endeavor, lalo-lalo na related sa money, career, and finances. So, now is the time that kung meron kayong mga plano at handa na kayong simulan ito, do it now. If you believe that you're lucky, kung naniniwala kayo na swerte kayo, for sure, you will really create an abundance mindset. No? Kaya, kasi 'di ba kung anong pinaniniwalaan natin, yun talaga ang nangyayari, yun talaga ang namamagnetize natin towards us. Science, keep an open mind. Something is unfolding for you. Ayan, chemist, forensics, biochemist, or anything in the field of science, ang maaring yun ang tinatrabaho ninyo, or maaring yun ang pinag-aaralan ninyo, or baka sa field of science ang career ninyo, no? So, maaaring ganun. Pwede rin, no, na mag-apply kayo ng scientific approach sa inyong business or financial problem kung meron man. Okay? What else? We have the past. Ayan, Aquarius, maaring ang laki pa rin ng impluensya sa inyo ng inyong nakaraan. Sabi dito, something from the past is coming back. Perhaps an old job or an unfinished project. So, siguro merong offer uli sa inyo rito na balikan ninyo ang iniwan ninyong trabaho, or baka meron ditong hindi pa kayo natatapos na proyekto at maaring yan ay babalikan ninyo. Maybe there is an unfinished business, no, unfinished task, at yun ang gagawin ninyo uli sa ngayon. Look to the past to understand the future, a lesson, an experience, or an old skill. You could be earning or receiving money from something you did in the past. Maaring merong paparating din na pera sa inyo sa ngayon na maaring bunga yan, or pinagtrabahuan nyo na yan in the past, pero ngayon nyo lang siguro yan marireceive, no, na nabayad, maaring ganon. Or baka bonus yan sa inyo, dahil sa trinabaho ninyo noon at ngayon nyo lang yan marireceive. Maari din na sweldo ninyo ito, no? Matagal nyo nang pinagtrabahuan, matagal na na-delay siguro ang sahod sa'yo, at ngayon pala ninyo yan marireceive. Life purpose, you will have new ideas and inspirations that will guide you to your divine calling. What is meant for you will not leave you as long as you continue to push forward. Ask for what you need and things will align for you to carry out your vision. Ayan. So, siguro, no, Aquarius, maybe you are, you're about to live your purpose na. Maaring may imbitasyon na sa inyo sa ngayon, at maaring you are going to answer the call na ngayon na, simulan nyo nang gawin kung ano man ang purpose ninyo sa buhay. Maring meron na kayong mga mensahe from the divine universe na nagpupul na sa inyo, no? Tinatawag na kayo to embrace, no, yung life purpose ninyo, to start living your purpose. Maaring mga ganon ang ganap. So, alalahanin din ninyo, no, for some of you, no, whatever it is that is meant for you, it won't pass you by. Okay? Kaya wag kayong manghihinayang, wag kayong malulungkot if something is not happening, if something is, or maaring may na-miss kayong opportunity, yung mga ganon. Wag kayong mag-alala. Kasi if it's meant for you, whatever it is, no, na minimithi ninyo sa buhay, whatever it is, if it's really meant for you, it won't pass you by. Babalik at babalik sa inyo yan, makukuha at makukuha ninyo yan. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.